Sue bought 3.5 yards of material at $8.70 per yard and 5 yards of lace trim. She spent $32.90 in total. Calculate the cost of 1 yard of lace trim. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to figure out the cost of 3.5 yards of the material. Now, what do we know? Well, we know that the cost of the material is $8.70 per yard. And so that means that for each yard that she has, it's going to cost her $8.70. So for 1 yard, the cost for 1 yard of this material is $8.70. So if we know what's the cost for 1 yard, then we could figure what is the cost for 3.5 yards just by multiplying. So it's going to be 3.5 multiplied by 8.70. And so the cost of 3.5 yards is going to be $30.45. That's the cost of 3.5 yards. Now, we know that she spent $32.90 in total. And so, but she did not only get the material, she got 5 yards of lace trim. So what is the cost of 5 yards of lace trim? Well, the cost of 5 yards of lace trim is going to be the total amount that she spent minus $30.45. Now we use $30.45 because that's the cost of the material, 3.5 yards of the material. So we take that amount from the total, and that's going to leave us with the cost of 5 yards of lace trim, which is going to be $2.45. So the cost of 5 yards of lace trim is $2.45. Now, if we know what's the cost of 5 yards of lace trim, then what is the cost of 1 yard of lace trim? Well, the answer is just going to be, we just have to divide, right? So the cost of 1 yard of lace trim is going to be $2.45 divided by 5. And $2.45 divided by 5 is definitely 49 cents. And so the cost of 1 yard of lace trim is 49 cents. And that's the answer to this question.